Hello, my dear children. Leela teacher is back again with lots of fun and learning with letters. And children, today we are going to learn something more about letter Y. And let's see what are we going to do. But before that, let's all open our elephant ears and magnet eyes. To begin with, we are going to first do a sound drill. So first let me show you the cards and you all are going to first tell me the name of the letter and then the sound with the actions. So let's begin. S. S is S. A. A says A. And A is a special letter. That's right. T. P. N. I. I also is a special letter. And I says E. L. R. That's right. D. D. F. F says H. O. O. And O also is a special letter. That's right. K. C. That's correct. C also makes the same sound. And CK together also makes the sound G. G. R. R. B. B. E. Eh. E also is a special letter. M. V. As if you all are playing a violin. J. J. Juggling. Yes, that's right. W. W. U. Very good. You all remember. Even U is a special letter. And U says A. X. And what sound does letter X make? And this is letter Y. So children, do you remember what sound does letter Y make? Yes. Yeah. That's right. And today we are going to learn something more with letter Y. Now we are going to see the pictures with letter Y. So let's say the sound first and then the name of the pictures. Here we go. Yeah. Yoga. Yeah. Yoga. Yeah. Yogi. Yeah. Yogi. Yeah. Yak. Yeah. Yak. Yeah. Yellow. Yeah. Yellow. Wow, superb. So these were the pictures with letter Y. And children, now it's time to listen to the rhyme for letter Y. So let's see. And please open your ears and sing the rhyme with teacher.
Yans are rolling down the mountain, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yans are rolling down the mountain, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yans are rolling down the mountain, yans are rolling down the mountain, yans are rolling down the mountain, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow, such a beautiful rhyme. And I'm sure it's very, very easy to remember. So let's sing this rhyme one more time.
Yans are rolling down the mountain, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yans are rolling down the mountain, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yams are rolling down the mountain, yams are rolling down the mountain, yams are rolling down the mountain, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow, the yams were rolling down the mountains. Yeah, 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 that's right. Now it's time to learn few green words with letter Y, and let's see which are those. Here is the first word. So children, we are going to learn the green words in my turn and your turn technique. So let's see the first word. Here I can see, first let us see how many sounds are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's see which are those. Y, e, yell. Let's say it again. Y, yell. One last time. Y, yell. Super. So children, in this word you can see there are 3 sounds but 4 letters, because sound we are saying only one time. But when we are writing the word, we are writing letter L 2 times. Hence this word has 3 sounds and 4 letters. Super. Now let's see the next word. Wow, this word is having 3 sounds. Now let's see which are those. Y, yam. Let's say it again. Y, yam. One last time. Y, yam. Superb. Now let's see the next word. And here is the word yak. So let's say it in my turn, your turn technique. So children, how many sounds does the word yak have? Let's see. It has 3 sounds. And which are they? Y, yak. Let's say it again. Y, yak. One last time. Y, yak. Superb. So these words are green words. Now it's time to do the ellie fingers. And I'm sure you all have put the green words into your thinking cap. Now let's all take our hands behind. The first word which I give you is yam. So please show how many sounds are there in the word yam. Correct. 3 sounds. And now let's see which are they. Y, yam. Let's say it again. Y, yam. One last time. Y, yam. Superb. Again, let's take our hands behind. The second word is yak. Show. Please check whether you have removed the correct number of fingers. Yes. Now let's say the sound. Y, yak. Let's say it again. Y, yak. One last time. Y, yak. Superb. Now let's take our hand behind. Now the last word which I give you is yes. Show. Correct. Now let's see. Y, yes. Let's say it again. Y, yes. And last time. Y, yes. Superb. I give you all a fantastic and a round of applause. So children, these were our green words, and I'm so happy that you all know the green words so well. And now let's see a few tricky words. And here we go. So the first tricky word which you can see is some. some. Yippee! Yippee! Yummy! Yummy! Yellow! Yellow! For! For! We! Yo-yo! That's right, yo-yo! And now, it's time to have some fun. Yes, I know you all are very excited to play the game. Even teacher is excited. So let's say the 3 words. Abracadabra, gilly gilly. And here comes your game. Let's see what are you all going to do today in the game. Okay, so we are doing sound review. Why? And this is the word search game. So the words are hidden in a letter grid. Find them as fast as you can. So we are going to find the words from the letter grid. So let's see which are those. Oh, this is the letter grid. And we are going to find the words with letter Y. So let's see. The first word what I can see is, come on children, help teacher. Yes, I can see the word yellow. Let's click on it. That's right. And I can see yo-yo. Superb. And then quickly, which is the other word I can see is yarn. Yes, superb. Let's find some more words. Okay, not here. Where is letter Y? Come on, children, can you see any word? No. Yes, I found yeah. Yay, we found all the words with letter Y. Superb. And we scored 4 on 4. So, children, I had fun playing this game. And I hope you also enjoyed with teacher. And now it's time for some fun home play activity. And let's see what are you all going to do at home today. And here is your fun home play activity. And the activity's name is yardsticks. So what do you require for this activity? Yardsticks or any other measuring scale or ruler. So what are you going to do? In this, you have to measure things around the room with a yardstick or a ruler. Wow. So you are going to measure so many things with a yardstick or a ruler. And I'm sure you all are going to have so much of fun doing this activity. And you're going to measure so many things in the house. So children, now it's time for me to say goodbye. But please don't forget to eat healthy food and drink lots of water. Bye-bye.